Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create tabs in WordPress without using any plugin. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my website right now over here. And at the top, we have some few tabs available by default, like everything, women, men, accessories. And we have about, contact us, everything at the top on the menu options. So obviously we can edit these and it's very easy. So let's get started. First of all, go to your WordPress menu and on the left side you will find appearance and under appearance you will find menu. So this is where you will end up. At the top we have select a menu to edit. If you click on that, click on main menu and click on select. Once you select that, you can see we have those options over here. Everything, women, men and accessories. These are the options which I have at the top. So if you want to add more over here, obviously you need to create a page and post. Obviously, you can go ahead and create those from over here on the left side of the menu. If you have already created a page like this, obviously this is the page also, right? So you can add those from over here. If you have post, you can see we have those options over here. So right now I have only one post over here, which is a blog, and I can easily add that also in my menu, or you can say tabs menu options over here. On the left side, we can add products, we can add custom links, we can add categories. Like you can say that if you have multiple products and you have categorized them, so you can also select categories from over here. Right now, I have only one gaming category over here, which I can easily select and click on add to menu, and it will be added over here. So for this tutorial, I am going with the blog which I have already created. Click on blog and click on add to menu. Once you click on that, you will see that it will appear like this. And for this tutorial, you can see that this is the blog page which I have added, right? And obviously you can just click on save menu and it will be added to your page. So if I go back and click on refresh, you can see we have those tab also over here, which is blog, which I recently added. If I click on that, you can see I will end up over here. If I want to go back and click on this, and let's say this is the accessory for for women, how I can add that under women section? So let's say if I hover over it, I want that blog under women section. So it's very easy. You can drag that over here under women's options and you can drag a little bit ahead, so it will turn into sub item. That means it will be the part of women right now, and it will appear only when you hover over women category. So if I go back and refresh this page again, you will see that this blog option will disappear and it will come into women's options. Once you done that, you can see that this is the option which will appear, and even I'm not even clicking. If I hover over it, you can see that it will appear like this and the blog options will appear over here. Obviously, I'm using the blog option. If you are using some different e-commerce website or any website which you are working on, you will use different names and different page names. So for this tutorial, I'm showing you as a blog. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create tabs in WordPress without using a plugin. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.